Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So while Capital One virtual cards are primarily designed for online purchases, you can still use them in stores if they support contactless payments via a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. So guys, let us begin. Log in into your Capital One account using the app. Tap on your credit card account and find the option for your virtual card number. For Apple Pay, guys, you will need to open your preferred digital wallet app. For Apple Pay, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, and Add Card. For Google Play, open the app and tap on Add Payments Method. For Samsung Pay, tap Add Card and follow the prompts. Enter your Capital One virtual card details and select Add from Capital One. It's integrated directly. Right, after that, locate a payment terminal that supports contactless payments. You need to look for the contactless symbol on the machine. Open your digital wallet and select your Capital One virtual card. Hold your phone near the card reader. Authenticate the payments using Face ID, fingerprint, or whatever measures you have set. After that, wait for the payment confirmation to appear on the terminal on your phone. Guys, also important note, not all stores support virtual cards directly, and virtual cards may have different expiration dates or CVV codes, so always ensure your details are up to date. Guys, enjoy, you're welcome, hopefully this helps, thank you for watching, see you next time.